Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create virtual assistant voiceovers on 11 Labs. So this is what you do. Go to the 11 Labs website and click on the options menu, then scroll down to your conversational AI option here, click on it, and it should bring you to a page similar to this. All you have to do at this point is to click on the agents option here, the second option just below the dashboard, and then it should bring you to a page similar to this where you have your new agent and your playground. Now at this point, all you have to do is click on the playground menu and it should bring you to a page like this. So on this page you can add your virtual assistant voice and create it to your specification. Seems I'm having a bit of network. Good. So at this point you can scroll down to choose a voice of your liking here. Since you're looking for a virtual assistant, you can just look for a voice that is similar to what you want. So 11 Labs has gone ahead to choose a voice for us which will be great for our virtual assistant position. So we can click on this support agent, and once we click on it we can go ahead to click on the create agent. So once you create the agent, it will bring us to a different web page where we'll be able to customize this new voice and functionality to our own specification. So this is how it appears. There are 6 categories to choose from. So all you have to do is, first of all, you're going to choose the language, and then you can add any additional language. You can input the first message and add variables. You can also include the type of personnel the agent you want the agent to assume. You can also choose the tools. The next option is the voice. You can also change the voice here. Let's assume you are not comfortable with the voice that 11 Labs have provided you with. You can choose the voice of your liking here. You can also just scroll down to make sure the voice is of good stability and speed. You can choose the analysis section where you can change the criteria or add more. You can also add security, customize the security option. You can add the host and choose the overrides you would like to include. For the advanced section, you can include, or you can check, or rather set a particular duration of seconds you love the AI to interact with prospective customers and clients. So this is how you can also check the widget option to show you how it is going to be. If you want something similar to this widget or you want something else, you can customize it, give it a color, and this is how you can add a virtual assistant to your website. So thank you very much and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing below and commenting. Thank you very much.